Whether in or outside the ring, if you show up to a competitive situation and underperform due to lack of preparation, I hope that loss is as painful and embarrassing as possible, so it'll force you to step back and observe those self-inflicted disadvantages that you brought into the situation that led to you coming up short. I don't give a fuck if it was Christmas Day and your birthday. Nobody deserves a gift just for showing up. You got to show up and you earn it. If you can't earn it, you don't deserve it. And at the end of the day, regardless of all the unforeseen, extenuating circumstances that may benefit and favor your adversaries, they won't be enough if you show up mentally, physically, and spiritually on your A game and just keep pushing forward. And even if you do come up short, you still go out with honor and dignity and you don't embarrass your people because you went out on your fucking shield. Show up prepared, like they say in the art of war. Go to war after you fucking figure it out. Win first, then you go to war, and regardless of the outcome, you're going to come out on top. Anyway, hope you found this informative. Show the fuck up prepared, man. Stop leaving things to chance. The only thing that you got in your favor is showing up the best version of yourself. Ow.